Hi there. My name is Hassan Haq, and today I'm going to show you a discrete event simulation model built in Anylogic using the process modeling library. And I'm going to show you how the model is looking visually, how we are getting the data, and how the stakeholders can make a sound decision based on the sensitivity analysis. So let's get started. Okay, so at the beginning of the simulation, there is a small control panel that lets us control the number of the fermenter machine, that lets us select the operator skill, and we can also select the production method being used. So we can either select one fermenter machine, two fermenter machine, or three fermenter machine. So let's say we're going to use one fermenter machine at the beginning, and we're going to see if the utilization is good or not. If it's highly utilized, it's good. It's a good idea that we increase the number of fermenter, and we can also control the operator skill level, and we can either use a senior operator or a junior operator. So let's start with a junior operator, and we can also control the production methodology. MTS stands for make to stock, and MTO stands for make to order. So if we don't select the MTS, it's going to be a make to order. That means when an order is going to come, then the production cycle is going to begin. And there is also another criteria. Before starting the production cycle, if there is the required number of finished product in the storage or in the production, then it's not needed to start a new batch. So the order can be fulfilled from the inventory or the inventory which is in the which is as the WIP in the production system. So let's start with this setting and let's run the simulation. So this is a 2D view. If we go to the 3D view, you can see the transporter here is transporting the items, is taking them to the weighing machine, to the milling machine, then the mashing machine. So from the mashing machine, everything is in liquid form and it's connected with a pipe. So we're not visualizing that, but the transporting is being done automatically between the machines. Okay, and you can see the utilizations and everything. And uh, from this, uh, the stakeholders are trying to understand what was the right combination of fermenter number of fermenter machine, the skill level of the operator, and also the production methodology being used. In addition to that, like we were doing a parameter variation to test the right combination using all of it. So like there are three input variables, and we were testing which combination was the best. So in other words, there was a we could have selected three different settings of fermenter machine, two different sets of operator skill, and two different sets of production methodology. So in total, there was 12 combinations being tested, and we were storing those results in an Excel file, and those Excel file was used as an input in a Minitab design of experiment uh, analysis, I would say. And from there, we're trying to understand if there's a connection between the input variables and the response variables. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have a project that you are aiming to finish or you need help or an expert advice, I would like to welcome you to get in touch with me and I would like to discuss that project in detail. So until that time, have a very good day and thank you for watching this video.